everyone. For this video, what we'll do is we will generate student accounts using the latest version of the Generate Accounts windows in the wizard itself. So what we're going to do is start with a group, which we're assuming that you do have a group already. There is a separate video on creating a group. So if you haven't yet, you can go through that first, okay? So what we'll do first is invite group members. This is the first step to generating accounts. So I'm going to click on this. And a window will pop up saying, invite group members. There's a group code with the group URL here. But what we want to do is generate the student accounts. So that's this button here, generate CS2N accounts. All right, so this is a pretty kind of self-explanatory wizard. It'll ask how many accounts for the first page. So let's just make 5 of them. Okay. I'm going to, let's do a self-provided. Okay, so I will self-provide the usernames. And then the next one is your first and last names that you're going to provide. We'll just assume we will provide those as well. Password, so you can have your own password that you will provide for each student. For, let's say you want to have everyone have unique passwords that you set, or you can just provide the same password for all of your students. That's done through self-provided. The identical means that CS2N itself will generate one random password and it will set it to, set it for everyone. And then random is it'll generate different passwords for each account. Okay, so that's what this is here. Okay, so let's do self-provided. We'll just do that so that we set one password kind of for everyone. This area is asking for just letting you know the date of birth, and it will kind of ask for date of birth when they first log in. Okay, and that if the students are under 13, they'll be required to have a parental permission. Okay, so that's kind of the form here. So I'm just going to acknowledge and continue. And the form, the template itself of the spreadsheet does ask for demographic information. That's completely optional. So it's up to you on whether or not you want to provide that, okay? So I'll hit acknowledge. And so this, what you'll need to do is download the spreadsheet in one of these formats, XLSX format or CSV. And this is the kind of the columns and what you'll need to fill in. Only these ones here, these columns are required. So I will click on XLSX format, and you'll see it downloads here. You can just open it up. Okay. And it's just a blank spreadsheet. So we'll just kind of make up things. Sarah, I don't know, Walker, S Walker, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do password, robots. And you can set the different things here if you want to. Just gonna do robots. So, okay. Now, because I'm self-providing, I can create as many other student accounts, and you can even, you can put whatever you want. So this could be a generic anonymous account. So it could be student 1, student 1 last, okay, S1 last name, robots. So you can really just kind of put what you want here. I'm just going to save this. Okay. Should be last, yep, okay. And I will choose my file. So you can choose file, and you can provide your latest version, which is this here. And then upload and validate. This will take you to the next step, which is to verify. Now it hasn't created the accounts yet. It just lets you know that, hey, everything's good. And if anything was bad, it would kind of have an X and let you know what's wrong with it. Okay, but it looks good from here. And if I click generate accounts from roster, it'll generate them, and you'll see they show up in your members list here. Okay, so that's generating accounts. You just kind of create the spreadsheet that it walks you through, and you just fill out the information. Okay, all right, thanks.